Alfonso Dishertagle Sr., better known as Panchito Alba or simply Panchito, February 5, 1925. December 18, 1995, was a Filipino film actor who almost exclusively appeared in comedy roles. He was known for his swarthy looks and a prominent big nose, which was often the target of ridicule, especially Dolphy calling him "Baboy Dama Wild Boar." Panchito frequently appeared as a comedic foil to Dolphy, with whom he was best friends in real life. Panchito was born in Paco, Manila. His mother, Idang Disher, became a prominent film actress beginning in the 1940s, often being cast in villainous roles. One of his brothers, Emil Tagle, also became a film actor. He was married with children. His aunt, Elena Disher, was also a Filipina actress. Panchito's career in show business began in 1942 when he joined a vaudeville troupe called Travel Stage Show, which performed in various theaters in Japanese-occupied Manila. The then 14-year-old Dolphy was also a member of the troupe, thus beginning a lifelong association. Panchito's film career began when he, along with Dolphy, were cast by Sampaguita Pictures in the Tita Duran Pancho Magalona musical essay Isang Suliap Mo, Tita. It was a career that lasted until his death. In 1955, Panchito was awarded the Fama's Best Supporting Actor Award for his role in Lupang Kayamanji. His film career thrived despite his involvement in a 1960 mauling incident in Quezon City that led to the filing of a criminal information against him and several others for frustrated murder, though the case against him would be later dismissed. Panchito is perhaps best known for his over 50-plus film team-ups with Dolphy in such films as Kalabogan Bozio 1959, Beatnik 1960, Si Lucio at Miguel 1962, Pepe and Pilar 1966, Pacifica Falefe 1969, Fefita Fafonge 1973, Bugay 1979, and Bakit Kinagat and Iatang Ang Mansanas and Iba 1989. The partnership likewise extended to television, where the duo would co-star in an ABS-CBN variety show, Bahay Artista 1965 to 1972. The tandem was famous for a comedic duet routine, wherein one would interrupt the other to offer a mangled translation of a Tagalog lyric into English, or vice versa. On July 4, 1966, Dolphy and Panchito opened for the Beatles at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex during that band's infamously abbreviated concert tour of Manila. Apart from his partnership with Dolphy, Panchito became known as a supporting player in many other film comedies. He was frequently cast as an authority figure such as a policeman, a politician, a father of the family, and memorably, as the hula skirt-clad music teacher of Vienna High School in the Joey de Leon Rene Requiestas starrer Elvis and James 1989. And as Penguin, a parody of Batman's arch-nemesis, the Penguin, in the comedy spoof alias Batman and Robin, 1991. In 1993, Panchito lived for a while in the United States, purportedly to seek treatment after being diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. In early 1995, his best friend Dolphy and nephew Babalu visited him in the States, where he was convinced to appear in the film Home Sick Home, a comedy film shot both in the Philippines and San Francisco, USA, and produced by Star Cinema. Though his movements were limited throughout the film due to his medical condition, his comeback was well received by the viewers. Soon after, he decided to come back to the Philippines to resume his showbiz career. His guesting in Home Along Dar Isles rated high, and he was cast in Dolphy and Vandolph's film Father and Son. However, while doing some scenes for the film in October 1995, he suffered a stroke that left him comatose. A video of him lying incapacitated in bed aired on Philippine television. During his comatose period at the hospital, he was able to receive medical and financial support from his former co-stars. Aside from Dolphy, Eat Bulaga main hosts Vic Soto and Joey De Leon also visited him. He died 2 months later, on December 18, 1995, at the age of 70, 2 days after the death of Bert Tawa Marcello and 2 months before his 71st birthday. It was also reported that Dolphy decided to include Panchito's partially shot scenes in Father and Son at the final film cut as tribute to his longtime comic partner. In 2007, Alpha Music Corporation released an album compilation entitled The Best of Dolphy and Panchito, featuring 14 comedic duets of the comic tandem. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.